When I was a child, my sisters and I used to play around in the kitchen quite a bit. One of the things we liked making was chocolate oat crackers. We found the recipe on the back of a rolled oats packet. I can't remember the exact recipe, but today I tried to make them. First I put some sugar and oil and soy milk into a pot. Then I mixed some rolled oats and cocoa together. After the sugar mixture had boiled for a couple of minutes, I mixed it into the rolled oats and cocoa and made it into balls. Not bad.